All right, in this project we're going to create a little quiz application. So we have this question here, which language runs in a web browser, and we have some answers, some multiple choice. We're going to go ahead and choose JavaScript and submit, and it's going to take us to the next question. What does CSS stand for? Central style sheets, cascading style sheets, cascading simple sheets, cars, SUVs, sailboats. We'll go ahead and choose cars, SUV, sailboats. And then what does HTML stand for? Hypertext markup language. And then what year was JavaScript launched, which was 1995. And you can see we answered 3 out of 4 questions correctly, and we can reload the quiz. So it's pretty simple in terms of functionality. What we'll do is create like a basic template that we can use to insert the questions and answers using a JavaScript array, and then we'll add the functionality to select an answer and check it and so on, add to the score and increment it. So let's go ahead and get started.